Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying secure boot state because Valorant requires it enabled for kernel integrity checks. Open system information and find secure boot state. If it reads off, you need BIOS access. Make sure Windows updates and drivers are current before changing firmware settings. This prevents unrelated boot problems. Note your motherboard key Del, F2, or F10 and reboot now into UEFI settings. Once done, you'll enable Secure Boot and confirm platform key configuration to satisfy Vanguard's protection. You're now inside UEFI. First, confirm boot mode is set to UEFI. Legacy or CSM will block Secure Boot. Next, find Secure Boot and enable it. Many boards require setting an administrator password to change this. Set one temporarily if prompted. Make sure the platform key is installed or choose the vendor default key so Windows recognizes signed bootloaders. Save and exit. When Windows restarts, it should boot normally. If it doesn't, revert the password or check boot order and repeat carefully. Once Windows returns, verify Secure Boot is on in System Information. This confirms the firmware change took hold. Launch Valorant and let Vanguard install. Run the installer as administrator if it fails to start. If Vanguard still refuses, uninstall then reinstall Vanguard and Valorant. For stubborn boot or driver issues, update your motherboard firmware or reset BIOS to defaults and re-enable Secure Boot carefully. One key troubleshooting tip. If the system won't boot after enabling Secure Boot,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.